Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of GD&T, Application and Interpretation. GD&T is designed for programs that require a study of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing as related to design, manufacturing, or inspection. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by Teachers for Teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as editable lesson plans, PowerPoint presentations, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Interactive content. Additional interactive content, including flashcards and other interactive activities to enhance the learning experience. Review questions can be completed and submitted to the instructor digitally. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with GD&T application and interpretation includes the ebook, study guide, and the digital companion. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. GD&T application and interpretation is designed for programs that require a study of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing as related to design, manufacturing, or inspection. GD&T application and interpretation contains 12 chapters. Each chapter provides expanded explanations of the principles contained in the applicable ASME standards. Throughout the text, terminology consistent with ASME standard terms is used to provide an accurate explanation of tolerance application and interpretation. The 8th edition of GD&T, Application and Interpretation clarifies required practices defined in the ASME Y14.5-2018 standard and other applicable current standards. For this edition, minor updates have been made to clarify concepts, practices, and explanations, and to achieve uniform usage of technical terminology as defined in ASME Y14.5-2018. As with previous editions, the practices explained in this edition are based on common industry practices and applicable standards. Where this text provides an explanation of a past practice, the practice is called out as a past practice. Applicable practices covered in this text are based on the following standards. Each chapter opens with learning outcomes, which clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. Technical terms list the key terms to be learned in the chapter. The introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Pro tips provide you with guidance and direction that is especially applicable for use in industry. Standards advisory notes provide additional information about requirements specified in current and former standards. Notes alert you to important aspects of a topic. Past practice notes identify and explain discontinued practices based on previously used standards. Illustrations have been designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. Many illustrations make extensive use of callouts to clarify explanations in the text. History brief notes help you understand formerly used practices encountered on documentation from the past. Chapter summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. Review questions allow you to demonstrate knowledge and comprehension of chapter material. Study guide activities provide students with an opportunity for self-assessment as content is presented or assigned. The hands-on practice includes review exercises corresponding to each chapter in the textbook. Application problems offer students opportunities to reinforce knowledge and apply problem-solving skills. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about GD&T application and interpretation.